Hi guys, once again welcome back to Majas Tech. Today I am showing you how to hide Telegram channels, groups and private chats. Friends, most of the people don't know how to hide their chats. It's a very one simple method to do. Guys, you know there is an inbuilt feature to hide your chats. So let's get started. Guys, first open Telegram, then tap the right side of the chat and just scroll towards the left side of your device. That's all, now your chat is archived. And if you want to hide the archived section, just scroll upwards. Now your archived section is hidden. Then if you want to access those chats, just scroll down and now you can unhide the chats. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and please consider that bell icon. And I will catch you guys in the next one.